Hi, welcome to MRRox. This video will explain how we plan to perform a live demo on stage. Our demo will show how we can use MRRox to communicate better when working remotely and collaborate naturally as if we were in the same office. For this demo, we will require 2 people on site and 1 person joining remotely via the internet. We would require at least 1 HoloLens, 1 iPhone or iPad, 1 laptop, and 1 HDMI projector or monitor. Act 1. We'll show the audience how simple it is to select avatars, set names, and launch into the mixed reality experience. Act 2. We'll introduce the audience to our remote teammate in holographic form, visible on projector screen. Act 3. We'll ask some simple yes or no questions, allowing our remote teammate to respond by voice or gesture. Act 4. Our remote teammate will ask us for our opinions on a design by sharing his screen. We will place the virtual screen on stage and stand in front of it to discuss the design alternatives together. Act 5. One on-site teammate will draw a 3D sketch using an iPhone in order to convey a new idea. Then we'll make a decision together.